I was about this. Let me tell you something about database that has to do with the way we handle databases in tools like Oracle. All right, so there is what is called the design, and the design process we have to ensure that we create what we call relationships among tables. Very vital. To create relationships among tables. Now, to create relationships among tables, the essence is to help you not to have a lot of duplications. For example, if we want customers' names in a company, we just have the name of customers in one table. If we want information about the employees, we have them also in one table. If we need information about the goods that they sell, the products, we have all of them in one table. That's just the essence of the whole thing. So once we are doing that, we have to ensure that we have a relationship. There's what we call one-to-one relationship. There's what we call one-to-many relationship, and there's what we call many-to-many relationship. This relationship has been used in several other sectors. Even if you are familiar with business, you must have heard some of these techniques. All right, but this technique of having that kind of relationship enables you to be able to get things done faster and easier. So one-to-one relationship, if we find out that one thing in one table can only offer one thing in the other table, sometimes we merge it and make it to just be a drop down, a combo. All right, for example, someone is a male, it can either be male or female, and that's all. So I don't have to create a table for just male or female because it's going to be only either a male or a female. Now, for one-to-many, we create two different tables. All right, and then one points in to the many side. For example, if someone is buying, a customer comes to the shop and needs to buy 5 things. Now that customer can buy 5 things. Okay, that one customer can buy 5 things. So he has a one relationship to 5 different products. That should be understood. Now, many to many, usually if we have a many-to-many relationship, it's always advisable to break it down to a one-to-many relationship because it could be cumbersome. For example, 5 customers can go ahead and get 5 different products at the same time. For example, Mr. Brown can get milk, can get Milo. Okay, beverage can get biscuits. The same thing, Mr. White can get those same 3 products. Now, the 3 products are many, and Mr. White is also many. So you need to break it down to a one-to-many.